Danny Medine with Power Auto Media here at SEMA 2015. I have finally made my way over to the PRW booth. Sean Snow, you're going to educate me all about the PRW product line and some aluminum rockers. But first off, what kind of stuff do you guys carry?
We're primarily known for rocker arms, dampers, flex plates, water pumps, flywheels, valve covers, stuff like that.
So what kind of cars do you guys have products for?
Most old V8 American iron type stuff. We also do stuff for the LS-based cars, the 4.6 liter Ford stuff, minis. We have dampers for the Mini Coopers.
So you guys have quite a diverse product line.
We do touch a lot of bases, yes.
All right, and then of course it's SEMA 2015 and you guys have unveiled a new aluminum rocker. What are some of the key benefits of this product?
This rocker is a step above our previous aluminum bodied rocker arms. It's an extrusion that's in CNC. They're made out of 2024 aluminum. They're bead blasted to relieve any stress risers and then anodized.
What are some of the advantages of your guys' aluminum rocker over somebody else's?
This one can handle a higher spring pressure, which is ideal for the guy that's trying to make more horsepower, run more aggressive camshafts, stuff like that.
What are some of the other key features of this new product?
They use a full needle and cage roller bearing. The trunions are a bearing steel, as well as the axles for the rollers for added strength and durability.
So if a customer wants to pick up some of these, where do they go?
They can get them from their local speed shop, machine shop, engine builder. We're distributed throughout the US as well as Australia and parts of Europe.
So PRW carries products for street rods, classic cars, sport cars, pretty much everything. So you guys be sure to check it out. I'm Danny Medine with Power Auto Media here at SEMA 2015. We have a ton more videos, so be sure to check them out.